Hi everyone, my name is Laura and I'm going to show you how to make borders in Google Sheets. So just as an example, I'm going to choose numbers for my values. You can make borders around individual cells, rows, columns, or blocks. You can really customize it however you want. So I'm going to choose to do a border around this entire block of numbers. So what you want to do is highlight what you want to be bordered and click this button in the middle of the fill color button and the merge cells button. So you click that, and there's so many different options you can choose from. So if I wanted just like the outer borders, you can click this top rightmost button, and you see that's how you have the outer ones. But let's say I wanted like each cell to have its own border, you can click this one, which is all borders. And if you wanted to make some certain design or had some idea you wanted to do, you can even do like certain cells to only have certain parts of a border. So let's say I just wanted this one to have the left border filled. So these are all labeled and you can tell from the photo what they are. So I'm just gonna highlight the cell that I want. I have number 1 highlighted. I'm gonna hit left border, and there it is. And let's say I wanted 9 to also have a left border. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to clear borders right here and give them all their own border. And then these two buttons on the right, choose the border color and then also like the border style. So I'm going to choose pink because, fun fact, that's my favorite color. And then for border style, you can just adjust that. So I can make it this thick one, can make it this dotted one. There's a lot of different options and you can really customize it however you want. Hope this helped.